more seconds. I should have all eyes up front in 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, good afternoon. So you should have had your homework out. I checked in those of you who had that. And you're due now. You are solving for the x variable. So you're using inverse matrices. Inverse matrices. You know that we have our test tomorrow. Inverse equations, right, are solving systems of equations, whether it's 2 or 3 variables is going to be on there, as well as our systems of inequalities. We'll be doing an activity today as a review for that. But before we get into that, let's go over your do now and your homework. So let's look at the first problem on your homework, the one with the who's in Whoville. The who's in Whoville. Who can tell me what our variables were defined as? Our variables were defined as. Alfonsi? Yep, so V was your vans and V were your buses. So you have to make sure that you're defining your variables so that we know what those represent in the context of your problem. We're not always using X and Y, and so we have to know exactly what those are. From here, you want to make sure that you're taking all those important pieces of information and writing your system. So who can tell us what our system was? Who can tell us what our system was? Yes? So V plus B equals 135.